artificial intelligence is changing the structure of the international system by deepening the current center-periphery model. Why is that happening? Because technology interacts with power, thus changing its distribution at international level. But what is power? We consider it as a complex system composed of 4 elements: economic, diplomatic, financial, and military. What is artificial intelligence? Basically, AI is a set of interrelated technologies such as big data, human-computer interactions, computer vision, and machine learning. Now, how do we measure and analyze data? First of all, we consider that the ability to project power through interactions is key to develop power in the international system. Therefore, we propose the international fitness to measure that. Second, we rely on network and complexity theory to build a multi-layer network of 3 elements. First, the amount of power owned by each state, and we measure that using GDP, international reserves, United Nations assessments, and military expenditure. Second, the interactions of the states using those dimensions of power. And we took as variables exports, FDI, diplomatic posts, and weapons exports. Third, we developed the artificial intelligence layer by measuring patents, human-computer interactions, publications, companies, and startups. First of all, we look at the relationship between the first and the second layer. There is the interaction between power and international interactions. Then we include artificial intelligence as a variable interacting with traditional ones. We find that artificial intelligence deepens the center-periphery structure, given that on the one hand, it contributes to strengthen the traditional ones, the traditional variables, and on the other hand, because just a few states have capabilities to develop artificial intelligence. Therefore, we find that there are a few states with terrific technological capabilities and many others that are lagging behind. What are the main implications of our findings? First of all, we highlight the role of national policies of science, technology, and innovation. Given that AI capabilities are not easy to copy, states must develop their own AI ecosystem. Second, the risk of perpetual divergence. That is, as we can see in this picture, few states have the capabilities to thrive in the new technology-driven international system. Therefore, what would happen if the states that are lagging behind don't take actions in the short term? Finally, we consider the role of private companies. Given that artificial intelligence needs 3 main factors to be developed properly, namely, first, data gathering, second, algorithm development, and third, computing power, and that those factors are mainly owned by private companies. Therefore, the natural consequence is that the states that want to develop power need the collaboration of private companies. So, what is the new role of private technological companies in this new international system?